Welcome to GNR Imports Exports, manufacturer and exporter of calcium carbide and welding accessories. The company was established in 2008 at Indore. We have spread our wings to Africa, China, Iran, and other countries. Stringent quality checks, cost-effectiveness, and capacious warehousing facility are some of the key factors behind our success. We offer a huge gamut of calcium carbide, industrial chemicals, and welding accessories. Calcium carbides offered by us are widely appreciated in the market. Our industrial chemicals are reckoned all over the world for their superb quality. We bring forth a wide range of welding accessories that are well known for their durability. We have gained tremendous expertise in providing welding cables, acetylene, and hydrogen gas regulators. We are highly instrumental in presenting a wide spectrum of oxygen cylinders that are a class apart. To know more about us, please visit our website www.gnrcalciumcarbide.com.